guys, on this tutorial, let's remake the Jupyter fighter and call it Super Jupyter. Why I call it Super Jupyter? Because this paper airplane is an improved version of this Jupyter fighter and this works very well with A4 paper. To make this paper airplane, you can use an A4 paper or a useless size paper, but I recommend to use A4 paper for this paper airplane. So first step, I fold the paper in half horizontally. Make a crease. Next, unfold the paper. Now, start from this edge to the center crease and repeat the same for the opposite side. Now, start from this edge for it to the center crease as well. And I repeat the same for this side. Next, I turn the paper over and I will fold down. When I fold down, I will curve the paper first, and then I see the intersection of this edge and this edge right here. I'll fold down. And I use this edge as my preference to fold. Now I flip the paper over to see if this crease matches with this crease. If it's matched, it looks perfect. And I just fold the paper down. You can see that, and now you can see this part of the paper, and you can use this edge to fold it. Now I repeat the same for the opposite side. I use this crease as my preference to fold. And next step, I will turn the paper over, and you can see this triangle shape right here. Imagine that you have a line here, then this should be a triangle shape. I just fold this triangle shape up. And now I fold the paper in half. Next step, I start from this edge. I fold to this edge. However, to make the plane looks nicer, I will estimate about ½ an inch from this point along this edge and fold this one down to create the wings. And I'll repeat the same for the opposite side. Next step, I'll fold this part up to create the stabilizer. I estimate about ½ an inch from this corner along this edge, and I just match this edge to this part of the edge. Same thing for the other side. And here you go. This is the Super Jupyter. I hope you guys will like the paper airplane. You can check it out, and if it's fly well for you, like the video, share with your friends, and subscribe my channel if you have not done so. And finally, thank you for watching, and see you next time. Bye bye.